Reggae Vibes Media would like to acknowledge the passing of a great Jamaican cultural icon in the person of Mr. Late Pluto Shervington. Keep watching to see some highlights of his performance in Jamaica in May 2022 and an interview that we did.
Sunday gone, I jump on a minibus. Sound man run when reggae vibes gonna bust.
We are here with Pluto Shervington,
Yes.
a legend in the reggae. This is Reggae Vibes Media. I'm representing Reggae Vibes Media today based in Atlanta, New York, and Kingston, Jamaica.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
How are you doing today?
No, I'm okay. Earlier on, I was a little out of breath. I don't know if you were around when I was going on stage. I didn't know how I was gonna make it on stage.
Well, you did a good job. We saw a little bit, but not much.
Well, my doctor says I am not human.
You're not human.
Says I'm a ram good.
Speaking of that song, do you remember what you were doing that day or what you were thinking when you recorded that song?
I remember exactly what I was thinking. Ernest Smith
Really?
came to Federal and he said, guess what I saw a while ago? I saw a truck hit a ram good. And I heard a Rasta man say, should have did make a buy a pound of rice. I said, but Ernie, there's a song right there. Him say, well, write it. 1 month later, it was #1 on the charts. Yeah, and that was 49 years ago, by the way, and the song still hitting. Thank God. Yeah.
Can you tell me a little bit about what it was like for you when you just started in the industry?
That was a long time ago, you know.
I know.
I started when I was 16, playing with bands here and there, and my dad did not want me to be a musician. I asked him one day, I said, Dad, what do you want me to be? A doctor or a lawyer or something, but not a musician, God damn it. That's what he told me. I said, well, I hope you're ready because I'm going to be a musician.
Do you have any advice for any of the new and upcoming artists in Jamaica now? Anything that you'd like to see happen or anything, any advice at all?
The only advice I say is love what you do and you work on what you do from your heart. Don't make anyone else tell you what you must do. You do what comes out of you naturally. You know what I mean?
Tell them to be authentic.
Authentic and real, and it's yours. Whatever you do have to be yours, you know? Because I remember back then, I mean, who would have thought Ram Gottlieb would be a hit? Because it was a whole heap of harsher reggae music, and when that drop and hit them, say, whoa, that's just how it goes, you know? That's just the way it works, yeah. Yes.
All right, Mr. Shervington, thank you so much.
No problem.
And we enjoyed the performance.
Call me that, you know, that's my father. I am Pluto.
Just call you Pluto.
My father is Mr. Shervington.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome. Anytime. Shervington. I will always remember your name.
Thank you.
Okay, my love.
Right. Take care.
Your Honor, I was inside the closet. I am my own business. Your Honor, it was a complete stranger, causing these disturbances. The flames of me touching wife, which is a wicked and awful life. And they must occupy, sing with me. Shirt to the left and the pants to the right. And they must occupy the shirt to the left and the pants to the right. Street power. Here, Corporal. As you lock I in this prison, pray for right. Please, Corporal, please don't leave me here to wonder why the court made this blunder. Try me for a crime that wasn't fair. Corporal, when you're going to send me dinner, send your mama or your sister. One more day of this, I cannot do well of this. Your Honor, I was inside the closet, minding I am my own business. Your Honor, it was a complete stranger, causing these disturbances. The flames of me touching wife, which is a wicked and awful life. The two of them was occupied. shirt in the left and the pants in the right, and they was occupied. Shirt in the left and the pants in the right. Your Honor, I was inside the closet, I and I own business. Your Honor, it was a complete stranger, causing these disturbances. He claims I'm touching his wife, which is a wicked and awful life, and they was occupied. The shirt in the left and the pants in the right, and they was occupied. The shirt in the left and the pants in the right. "49 years ago I wrote this song. Up to now, we've not stopped yet. Yeah. Sunday gone, I jump on a minibus. I really late, but it's not my fault. When we nearly reprieve. And this we use and do dub plate. Yes. Sunday gone, I jump on a minibus. I really late, but it's not my fault. When we nearly reach by the terminus, I feel the bus come too hard. We lick around, go down by the roundabout, and just as if God could not survive. One brother run to the bus and start to shout, "You see that dead midway by a pound of rice. Rum good, liver good for them. Money schwartz, really good teeth. It's everything you talk. Curry good lunch, put the right in your bag. You make it dark, just sing with me now. You make it dark and walk and talk." Well, the news spread fast like a telegram. Nobody know where the good come from. Raise a pattern, a pan from an iron man who sit down there all along. 2 twos on the pot, a boil. I hit a yam and banana dip. Meanwhile, little waters a quiet. Lick me good and a take me sip. Rum good, liver good for me. Money schwartz, you me good feel. Make it everything you got. Hurry good luck, put the right in your bag. You make it darker, Lord, you make it darker, walk and talk. Well, I pop 2 bills and I make a slide. I take a walk out the street. While I'm waiting down the road to come a ride. Feel a gripe and I start to feel very weak. For too long, you know, happy yard. Running belly like a judgment day. Everybody in the road and let me laugh. When I know that crime will never pay. Rum good, liver good for me. Money schwartz, give me good clean. In everything you talk. How we good love, get by in the park. You make it darker. You make it darker, walk and talk. Say the rum good, liver good for me. Money schwartz, give me good clean. In everything you talk. How we good love, get by in the park. You make it darker. You make it darker, walk and talk. Yes. One more tune before we go. Oh, my God, one more Jamaican gone abroad. Yeah. One more Jamaican gone abroad. One more disciple leave the yard. But if you think so, we are going to stand up and wait. No way while them holding it for you. No, really have to sing this with me now. Come in on here. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. And I not leave ya. We go to Canada. No. a young girl, you know. And when you run from a problem, it never stop. None of we want to get involved at all. We sit down and ball. Cause I'm an Anya. I'm an Anya. I not leave ya. Think of America. No, yes, sir. But I'm wild, yeah. Belly full, yeah. Sweet Jamaica. To the British, flight today to Miami. Don't mean a thing to this man. Well, as long as man give labor on his word, be money. There is not a man can move away from my land. So, all you Jamaicans gone abroad. Relax, you really shake a yard. Remember Salvage Fitters Festival and thing. Watch it down with a red stripe here. A true. We're gonna make them sing this part now. Make them sing it. I'm on. You sure? But one more time, I'm gonna make you do it again. I hear the real words. I'm an Anya. Until I get me visa. You know what I want to mean when in Miami I talk about you and I'll leave you, but sing out again, right? But I'm an Anya. God bless you, thank you, baby, and good night. I now leave you. Big up America. No, it's but I'm wild, yeah. Very full, yeah. Sweet Jamaica. Thank you, good night. I'm an Anya. All yours, one, all yours. I now leave ya. We go America. No, yes, but I'm wild, yeah. Very full, yeah. Sweet Jamaica.
What a voice! What a man! Anybody know what Pluto name mean? Oh! Take it away, Mikey. Let's lift up this one.
Rest in peace, Mr. Pluto Shervington. Thank you for the wonderful memories, positive vibes, and the laughter that you inspired over the years through your music. Jamaicans young and old have been impacted by your charm and creativity. Reggae Vibes Media would like to express our sincere condolences to his family, especially his wife and children, and his close friends.